I needed a lawnmower from my mother's property. A neighbor does most of it on a riding tractor, but the job needs a push mower to do around the house. My choice of merchants in town was Walmart or Canadian Tire, so to stick it to Trump, I decided to go to Canadian Tire. I didn't want to spend over $300, so I settled on the certified 3-in-1 push lawnmower. Certified is the in-house Canadian Tire brand, and I picked it up for $279. It is powered by a 140cc Briggs and Stratton 500E series gas engine. It's made in America, so I suppose the trade war is a deadlock at this point. It features a 21-inch cut suitable for medium to large size properties, 3-in-1 functionality, mulch, bag, and side discharge. It has high 12-inch rear wheels and 8-inch front wheels for easy maneuverability. These were handy in the rugged terrain at the fringes of the property. The engine is a single-cylinder 4-stroke, air-cooled. There wasn't much to do to put it together. Put on the back wheels and secure the handles. The instructions are clear. Pro tip, there's a tool in the box so you don't have to go sorting through the old toolbox in the shed for the correct wrenches. The first start was a bit hard, but after a few yanks and some repriming, it started and was easy to start after that. There's a rear bag attachment and an attachment for side discharge. I haven't tried the bag yet, but I should have used the side discharge. The grass was long and damp, and it would stall out the engine. It worked fine after I figured out how to tip it up to clear the grass.
Oh man, what's going on there?
And when I used the side discharge chute, I found it fell off easily. Maybe I wasn't anchoring it correctly. When I got mowing, it worked great. There's a height adjustment for the blade. This is a nice machine.